Do you want the bad news?
Yes, please tell me the bad news.
That one that's still on there is this one here is cross-threaded.
So we've got to drill that out, don't we?
It's going to need a new stud as well.
Okay.
I mean, I can snap it off.
Is it safe to drive with 3?
I mean, it was already on 3.
Oh, it was already on 3?
Because that is where the nut was. So there's one on that side as well missing.
Driving this on the street is okay?
Not ideal.
Okay. So the wheels are finally on. Don't think it's gonna fit with the stock camber arms and the stock setup that we have going on. The back fits pretty well, but as you can see, it is so aggressive. And I think what I'm gonna have to do next is I'm gonna have to install some camber arms in the front and in the rear, because it is not going to work. Tracking it and even driving it like this is gonna be a pain in the ass, and it's probably gonna scrub like crazy. But with the color combination and the wheel setup, I think it looks crazy. Oh my god. It's finally coming together. But yeah, this setup right now is a little bit ridiculous. So hopefully we can get this stuff adjusted just before the show next week. So I've got to get my hands on some camber arms as soon as I can. But yeah, the car's looking good. Almost there. Stay tuned. So with the wheels I purchased, I have all the receipts, original race sticker. Gonna chuck it inside the car and make a move. So today we've got something pretty cool. We're gonna be checking out my EG and getting him some tints. We've got to go get that done as soon as we can. Here we go, guys. So check out the car now. We've got the tints sorted on it. We're going to a 15% tint. It really accentuates the Nardo paint and the bronze wheels. On the left, on the driver's side here. So while this stuff is being installed, I'm gonna go take out all the spare parts that are in the trunk of this thing. Oh, check it out. So rear hatch has also been tinted. That looks so good. So much better. Okay, I gotta go strip out all this stuff. I think he's left his jacket. Your jacket, you forgot it. Cool, thank you, mate. Appreciate it. So we have just arrived to Seeker Motorsport. So this is going to be where the car is going to stay for the next couple days in regards to setting up the camber, lowering the car, and fixing a few things before the show, as well as before the track days that are coming up for my car. The most prominent issue with the car right now is the setup of the wheels. As you can see, it's way too aggressive, and I'm not gonna lie, but I did scrub a little bit already. So I've got to definitely fix up that issue, because I can't have it scrubbing on track at all. Change these wheel studs here. So 1, 2 came off, and 1 came off here as well. So I had to drive this car with extreme caution all the way up to Clayton here, and hopefully it doesn't fall off anymore, because that is a serious issue. So we're gonna try and get that fixed as soon as we can. What is up, guys? We're back now. I just dropped off my car at Seeker Motorsports. We headed over to Chatty to grab some food at Hawker Chan. So now I'm like super full. Whilst I was at Chatty, I also had my friend hook me up, Jackie, who works at Calvin Klein. She hooked me up with a killer discount at Calvin Klein. Now I'm with my mate Roger here, and we're gonna go check out his dogs that he has for sale. So his dogs are so cute. How cute are they? Hello. Aww. They're so cute. Aww. Let's go. Holy crap. Wow, you're nuts! That is so quick! Alright, one more. Here we go. What is up, guys? It is Clay Wall and we are back at SUPERCAR Motorsport now. I'm very excited to tell you that the car is actually looking so much better now. I purchased a set of hard race front camber kits for the front, as well a rear camber kit for the rear. These camber kits allow for extensive camber to be put on your cars. We got those front camber arms fitted, as well as the rear camber arms fitted now, as well as getting new wheel studs for the car. So these wheel studs are strengthened and they're not going to break anytime soon. They are ARP wheel studs and they are strengthened, and we've replaced all 20 wheel studs for the car, so it's going to survive pretty much any track day situation. So if we have a look at the car now, as you can see, it is sitting so much better. Look at that camber, it's tucked perfectly. So it's actually running about -3 in the front, and we're running -2.5 in the rear, so nothing too crazy. Looks like I'm not going to have any trouble driving this car through any potholes or whatnot. As you can see, the clearance is pretty good. It's pretty good here, and the clearance is good here as well. So it's just a truck with some people driving past me, but yeah guys, finally got the wheels fitted. It's looking so much better. Black labels on Sunday, and I'm running out of time to get this car ready for the show. I'm gonna get some new taillights fitted as well as doing a bit more to sweeten up the car, because this stuff, it's doing my OCD in, so we've got to get it fixed. It's raining, so I'm just gonna settle up here at SUPERCAR Motorsport. This is my good friend Ed's workshop here. He specializes in all Japanese cars, so literally if you guys have a Japanese car, EG, Honda, Mitsubishi, Subaru, just take it here and he will hook you right up. Look for Ed, he's the owner of the shop, and tell them Clay sent you, because they do some really good work here. I honestly take all my cars here ever since I got into the car game. Check it out, this is his pride and joy right here. This is his Lotus Exige Supercharged. So he picked this up recently. Initially, he's always loved Hondas, and he's stepping out of his comfort zone. Look at this Voltex wing, this big diffuser. He's got Ray's RE30s, and it is supercharged. This thing is insane. I've never driven one before, so it'll be a real pleasure for me to drive. Your car looks crazy, man.
Why?
How long have you owned it for?
Hey?
How long have you owned it for?
3 years.
What have you done to it? It looks insane.
Actually, I just put a spoiler. I bought all the parts from Japan.
Yeah.
Put a Ray's RE30.
They look sick.
Thank you.
It's awesome. You need to take me for a drive.
Oh, yeah, one day. One day.
Okay, let me review it. That'll be awesome.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
just
please.
get a test drive it.
Are you gonna put a K20 in here?
Nah, I just keep the supercharged anyway.
What if it blows up?
Maybe.
Yeah,
just
K20.
K20. We'll get a total internals.
That'd be sick, man. What suspension are you running? Ohlins?
No, I got the brand new Ohlins at the moment, so but I haven't installed it yet. So yeah,
Too busy.
I just keep it. Then I just put the front counter on the car a couple of weeks ago.
Looks insane, man. You've done a good.
I just special order from Japan, so.
Man, it's one of a kind.
Yeah, but I don't have time to do too much on the car.
Yeah, kids.
I have to look after all the customers.
Like me, yeah. Literally like me, guys.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
true.
We'd love to see this thing out.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can do a video with it soon.
Alright, thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
the work, man.
See ya, guys.
What is up, guys? It is Clay Wong, and we are back in the K20 Civic EG project. So unfortunately, I didn't have enough time today. I really wanted to get my new taillights fitted. My biggest fear is actually damaging the new paint on my car. So I'm gonna try my best to not do that. I'll be sure to document the footage of it so you can see if I do screw up or not. If you don't know already, I'm entering this car into Black Label. The organizer of Black Label, Christopher Raymond, has been following my build of this car, and he really wants to see it. He's inviting some of the best cars in and around Australia, so I will see you guys there. We are on the way now to Mornington Peninsula. We are going to be checking out some houses there. Great time as well to bring my K20 Civic up there as well. It's literally going to be my first shakedown and test of the vehicle with the new wheels, new tires, new brakes. So we've bled the brakes, we've changed the brake fluid, so now the brakes are stopping on a dime. All my doubts about the car being unsafe, not roadworthy, It is 100% ready to go now. I can chuck it on track if I want to. I always forget to record my food before I eat it.